Hi guys, welcome back. This is Matt with Garden Distractions, and today we're checking out Zocalo. They're located in Little Italy, just north of downtown Edmonton. And there's some Cortons for $8. Potho for $8. Spider plants in a 4-inch pot for $6. And split leaf Potho for $15. And they have some money plants in a 4-inch pot for $10. Baby tears, 6-inch pot for $18. Those are really cute. Some spider plants in a hanging basket, 6-inch for $20. Some Dracaena for $15. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.